Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battlefield Redsec game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Battlefield coins for your game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to purchase coins in order to use within your Battlefield game so that you can buy items and make upgrades, then you can do this from within the game, or you may also use the Steam application. When you open up the Steam application, within the store page, click on the search box and then type in Battlefield Redsec to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it. And now if you scroll down from the game page, you will see the Buy Battlefield Coins option. You have various different purchase options within the drop-down menu. Click on whichever purchase you wish to make. And now you can click on the Add to Cart option. Once you click on View My Cart, you may continue towards your payment. And you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Enter your credentials, followed by your billing information. And once you complete the transaction, the coins will be added to your account right away. After this, you can make your purchase of various items to make your upgrades within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Battlefield coins for your game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.